this is Jen, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to share the process of my Cocoa Daisy kits that I am organizing. So first, I am organizing my 12 by 12 paper. So I got the 12 by 12 memory keeping kit, the pocket kit, the main planner kit, add-on kit, and also the planner classified kit, and I have some stickers from the classified memory keeping kit. I didn't keep my memory keeping kit because it was Halloween, so yeah. But now what I'm doing, I'm adding my papers. So I added the main planner papers that came in the kit, and then my dashboards, and then I'm also going to add my 4x4 papers that I got in the memory keeping kit. I'm sorry, 6x6 papers. So now I'm adding my stickers. So for this month, I only have 3 sheets of the October stickers, and then I'm using stickers from my stash from August. And now I'm organizing the stickers from the main planner kit and the memory keeping kits. Well, for now it's the pocket. I will add the other later on. So this month I bought the Standard Dory, B6 Dory, Personal Dory, and Mini Dory. I didn't know what I was going to do for this month, but I decided to stick with the B6. And for the Mini Dory, I will. Oh, just real quick, those are the vellum and the acetate that came in the classified kit. So I also put that with my papers. But for this month, I am going to use my Mini Dory for like a fall recipe book. And then that way I can use it over and over again. So there's that cute little pencil pouch that we got for this month or for October. And I'm going to keep that in there. And you might have seen the pen gems. I tried to match up some pen gems that would go with the kit. And we also received one for the month. So that's all going into my pouch. And you'll see later on that I will take out the stickers from my pouch and then put it into a container. So next is my that was my Chic Sparrow B6 that I'll be using for this month. I'm debating between that one and the Outlander wine. So one of those will be used for the month of October. So now all the little knickknacks, I am going to take everything out of the plastic, but I forgot to take the puffy stickers, those pumpkin ones, out of the plastic. So I just slide them in there. You'll see that later. But I actually used 3 4x6 containers. So you'll see that. So I thought it'd be easier just to dump all my die cuts into the containers. I've done that before with my kits. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the pocket cards into a separate container. So I thought it would be good. So when I'm going through to do a layout, or a spread, I can just grab what cards I want and then go from there. So I took those cute little, that's made out of like a vellum and they're leaves. It's really cute. But I don't know what they call it. I forgot. But yeah, I'm going to put that in a separate iris container. So So my washi are all going to go into a separate container as well. So I'm just back organizing the die cuts. And the bigger die cuts I'm going to separate and put them with my pocket cards. So I thought that would be better. And there's that cute little Simon card. So that's the classified kit right there and the items that we received from there. And so I decided to, you'll see later the little notepad and the stickers will go into a different container and the notepad will go in my little pouch. So now I'm getting the rest of the contents from the 12 by 12, and I forgot there was a large alpha or 2 large alpha chipboard sticker sheets. So I will put that in the iris container later. You'll see that. Well, it's not really an iris container. These containers came from Costco. So everything that I'm going to put in that third iris container, I just put to the side. So I put my stamps in this bag. You can see I have tons of stamps. It's right on my desk, and I thought it's just very convenient. That little bag is from Daiso, nothing fancy. I did have it in a container, but I find it that I can put less in there. So with the bag, I can actually put all of my stamps that from kits and stuff actually into that one bag, and they all fit. So that's why they're in that bag. And like I said, they sit right on my desk. And usually on the back of the little cardboard or paper sheet from the stamp set, I actually put the date and the kit on the back. So now that's the third iris container that you just saw. Put everything in there. My little notepad in the pouch. And we are coming to a close. So I'm putting my last items in. And amazingly, you'll see all my containers fit. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And I am planning on doing a video. I don't know about a video a day, but I am planning on doing more videos. So stay tuned. Bye.